Are you looking for the best swivel desks in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best swivel desks.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the FEZIBO Height Adjustable Electric Standing Desk. The FEZIBO Triple Motor L-shaped electric standing desk is a sturdy and reliable desk that is perfect for any home office. It features a large 63 inches work surface, 3 preset buttons to customize your desired heights, and an industrial-grade steel frame that can support up to 330 pounds. The desk also has swivel casters that rotate 360 degrees, making it easy to move around. Customers have praised the desk for its sturdiness, ease of assembly, and its ability to support multiple monitors and computers. Moving on at number 4, we have the FEZIBO Triple Motor L-shaped Electric Standing Desk. The FEZIBO Triple Motor L-shaped electric standing desk is a sturdy and reliable desk that is perfect for any home office. It features a large 63 inches work surface, 3 preset buttons to customize your desired heights, and an industrial-grade steel frame that can support up to 330 pounds. The desk also has swivel casters that rotate 360 degrees, making it easy to move around. Customers have praised the desk for its sturdiness, ease of assembly, and its ability to support multiple monitors and computers. At number 3, we have the Fulocseny L-shaped computer desk with rotating design and large workspace. The Fulocseny L-shaped computer desk is a modern and fashionable addition to your home office, with a reversible L-shaped design that provides ample workspace. The desk features a 360-degree swivel design for easy shape adjustment, while the S-shaped shelves offer extra storage space for your supplies. With its sturdy MDF wood board and stainless steel frame, this desk is built to last for years. Assembly is easy, with tools and clear instructions provided. At number 2, we have the Tektalk Rotatable Corner Table. The Tektalk Rotatable Corner Table is a versatile desk that features 360 degrees rotating design. It comes with 3 rotatable desktops which can be used as a long bar desk or an L-shaped corner desk. With effortless installation, the desk is constructed with premium P2 grade particle board and powder-painted steel frame, making it sturdy and durable. It also features ample storage space with a broad desktop and 2-tier open shelf under the desktop. The desk is suitable for various occasions and can be used as a computer desk, study desk, gaming desk, or office desk. And finally at number 1, we have the 7-pen Mobile Couch Desk Bedside Laptop Table. The 7-pen Mobile Couch Desk Bedside Laptop Table is a versatile and convenient addition to any room. It features 2 attached rotating couch side table sections that can be swiveled to suit different needs, forming an L shape or I shape and anything in between. It has a tabletop side with leg, chair underside clearance and a shelving side with 2 tiers for storage. The desk table is made with trusted quality, has a 44-pound, 20 kilograms, tabletop capacity and 22-pound, 10 kilograms, shelving capacity, and 1.5 inches, 4 centimeters, caster wheels with 2 locks for indoor flooring. It can be retracted to save space and stacked or next into each other when not in use.
Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.